Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. This video I am going to show you how to install MySQL step by step. Okay, first of all, open your browsers. Okay, and press MySQL download. Okay, guys. Okay, click on first tab. Okay, click on download. Install now. Click on MySQL Community GPL download. Okay, guys. Okay. So this is a multiple tool regarding MySQL. So I need MySQL installer Windows. Okay, click on this. Okay. So Windows MS installer and two tools available in this site. Okay, and I need 2.85.3 M MySQL download. Okay, click on this. Okay, and click on this. Please wait some minutes. Downloading starting. Okay, guys. Depend for your internet speed. Okay, done downloading, and open your file, go on download, and click on this, click on run, click yes. Okay, so this MySQL installer is multiple tool. I need custom. Okay, click on next. Okay, multiple servers just like MySQL servers, applications, documents. I need SQL server. Okay, and also I need applications. Okay, click on this. Okay, click on next, execute. Guys, look like this. MySQL server also running. Progress. Okay, guys. This is speed depend for your internet and your system configuration. Okay, click on next, click on next. Okay, click on next, click on next. Okay, so this side, create your password just like insert. Okay, guys, and click on next, click on next, click on next, click on execute. Okay, MySQL installers also all procedure is done. Okay, then click on finish, click on next, click on finish. So guys, our all steps is done. The next step, press Windows key. Okay, and click all apps. Okay, guys, and see Microsoft SQL Tools 20. Click this. Okay, and click SQL Server Management Studio 20. Okay. Okay, guys. This is a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio interface. Okay. So click connect. Okay, guys. Okay. So I check my SQL Server is working or not. So press new query. Okay, guys. And insert our SQL query. Create database, and I create database name school. Okay, click execute. So guys, see, command completed successfully. So definitely my SQL servers is also working, and also see our database name is schools. Okay, guys. So next video I'm going to discuss all about SQLs and SQL's command. Okay, guys. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.